Here's how to install the Google app on your iPhone. Now, if you want to search on Google or use any of the Google features, you can always get the app on your iPhone. I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, first, we're going to open up the App Store here. So if you find it, just tap on the App Store. Or if you don't see it, you can always swipe down and just type in App Store, and it will pop up at the top. Now, once you've opened up the App Store, we can get the Google app by tapping on search bar at the very bottom and just searching for Google and hit search. Now, keep in mind there are a number of different apps. You can see Google as well as Google Chrome. They do fairly similar things. You can log in, you can do searches, all that stuff. But you can see here's the main Google app. And keep in mind, it'll have the cloud if you've previously downloaded it, but it's not on your phone, or it will have a little get button if you've never downloaded it. So to download it, you can tap on that little button, either the cloud or get. Keep in mind, it might ask you for your password or Face ID. And after you've done that, it should download directly onto the home screen of your phone. If you don't see it, all you need to do is swipe all the way over to the right to get to the app library. And under recently added there, you can see it'll show you all the recently added apps. And there's Google. If it doesn't show up on your home screen, you can always press and hold and then just drag it onto your home screen like that. Now, all you need to do is open it up. You can sign into your Google account if you want to, but also you can just start typing in searches. Let's hit don't allow. You can start typing in searches like football, and it'll be just as if you're Googling that in a Google web browser. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.